How to change delivery address on Uber Eats. So the first step will be opening up the Uber Eats app and logging in to our account if we haven't already. Now, if we want to change the delivery address, here in the top left, you will see your address itself. So if we press on it, then we can search or set a new address. So for example, if I want to do Kentucky here, USA, it's going to ask me for the new address information. So we can do house, apartment, office, hotel, other. So I'll do apartment and I'll just choose edit pin here. And let's leave it right here, Churchill Downs. Okay, so if we click on done here, it's going to automatically fill out the information. And if we select save and continue, the apartment unit will be 1, save and continue. Okay, and just like that, we have changed our delivery address on Uber Eats. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.